Welcome to our informational video on affiliate marketing programs for beginners. Whether you're new to the world of online marketing or looking to diversify your income streams, affiliate marketing can be a great opportunity for you. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of affiliate marketing, how it works, and how you can get started as a beginner. Let's dive in. What is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's a performance-based marketing model where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you get a percentage of the sale. It's a win-win for both the affiliate and the product owner. So, why should beginners consider affiliate marketing? Well, it's a low-cost entry point into the online business world. You don't need to create your own products, handle customer support, or worry about inventory. You can start with little to no investment, making it an attractive option for beginners. To get started, you'll need to join an affiliate network. These networks act as intermediaries between affiliates and product owners, providing a platform where you can find suitable products to promote. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. When choosing an affiliate program, consider the products or services that align with your interests or niche. This will make it easier for you to promote and engage with your audience effectively. Remember, your success as an affiliate marketer depends on building trust with your audience, so it's essential to choose products you genuinely believe in. Once you've chosen the affiliate program and products you want to promote, it's time to establish your online presence. Building a website or blog is a common and effective way to attract and engage with your target audience. You can create valuable content related to your niche and embed your affiliate links strategically within it. It's crucial to provide value to your audience before promoting any products. Focus on creating high-quality content that educates, entertains, or solves problems. This will help you build trust and credibility, ensuring a higher conversion rate when you recommend products. As your affiliate marketing journey progresses, tracking and optimizing your campaigns will be key to maximizing your earnings. Most affiliate networks provide analytics tools that allow you to track your clicks, conversions, and commissions. Pay attention to these metrics to identify what's working and what's not. Additionally, don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies. Test different promotional methods, such as social media marketing, email marketing, or creating video content. Keep track of your results and make adjustments accordingly. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time, patience, and continuous improvement. In conclusion, affiliate marketing programs offer an excellent opportunity for beginners to earn passive income online. Remember to choose the right affiliate network and products, build a strong online presence, provide value to your audience, and track and optimize your campaigns. With dedication and consistency, you can turn affiliate marketing into a reliable source of income. Thank you for watching our informational video on affiliate marketing programs for beginners. If you found this content useful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Good luck on your affiliate marketing journey,